one mistake that students make is they ignore the section numbers and form numbers. Guys, 1 mark is equal to your section number or form number per answer. Approximately, if there are 14 answers in your paper and you have not written section numbers or form numbers in any of them, your paper is not being checked out of 100. Your paper is rather checked out of 85 or 86 marks only. Well, we are targeting 75 to 80 in your law paper and you are attempting only of 85. Tell me, how will it be possible? Right? So, focus on the section numbers and form numbers in the law paper. Remember one thing, this is professional exam. You need not focus on the length of the answer. No. There will be cases where a 4-mark answer is of 4 lines only and a 2-mark answer is going up to 8 lines. So what? As I said, this is a professional exam. It's not the length of the answer that matters. It's your approach towards writing the answer that matters. And that is exactly what we teach in the law class. Now, when we talk about law, as a paper, foundation level, inter level, final level, any level, what is another thing that you should keep in mind? Another thing that you should keep in mind is 1, writing practice. 2nd, solve as many past exam question papers as possible. Why? I will tell you. This is not some accounts or taxation type of a paper where hidden adjustments might come. No, the law is very clear. Everything is written in the law. It is about your art of interpretation that makes you a master in law. Now, if you want to really learn that art, 1, practice will make you perfect. 2nd, a proper guidance will help you to achieve that kind of finesse in your approach.